Govee Upgraded Wireless Doorbell, 36 melodious chimes and 5 volume levels to meet your need. The built-in stereo speaker delivers a crisp, clear sound of up to 100 decibels. The only bright indicator flashes blue when someone rings the bell once you turn it to mute mode. 1,000 feet operating range. With reliable 1,000 feet wireless range, no obstacles, and strong signal penetration, it never fails to alert you when somebody shows up at the door. Adopting superior transmission protocol, it avoids doorbell triggered by mistake. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Memory function. Every time you power on the device, it remembers your previous melody and volume level even if after a power outage. Number 2. Setup in seconds. Simply mount the doorbell transmitter on the wall or anywhere you want via adhesives or screws, and plug the receiver into a socket. All the required accessories are included in the package for an effortless installation. Number 3. IP66 waterproof and dustproof. It features IP66 waterproof, working even if on rainy days and in harsh conditions. Number 4. 36 months battery endurance. It comes with a 55 mAh capacity battery and low power consumption design. This doorbell kit boasts a long 36 months battery lifespan. Free you from the hassle of frequent battery replacements. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.